There we go. All the welds prepped up. And it turned out pretty good, pretty smooth. I'm gonna have that reflective insulation. I'm gonna put that down first. And then I'm gonna put some felt down. And then a rubber mat. Plus, there's going to be the rocker trim here, holding down the mat. So, you know, I could get into it. Fiberglass and smooth out the welds. It tells you here. I read it. Anyways, that's what it's designed for. It's not that anybody's going to be looking anyways. Let me think about that one. Definitely do it on the underside when you're looking underneath here. Tune up these welds. They haven't even been looked at yet. That's all going to be sanded down. Some seam sealer going along there. Along here. I gotta tap that one up. It looks like that's not very good at the end there. Definitely worse than the right side. And it's traveled up a kick here higher. I might have to go up 4 inches there. And the inner rocker is definitely worse off on this side. Okay. Good tour. Looks like I'm rebuilding that. It's not bad from here up. This is surface rust. That's a lot of forming and scribing, pounding, filling, welding. Like spot welds, filling in. Anyways, all the bad stuff is cut out down here. This is all surfaced. You can still see all the original primer up here. Not bad in here either. The A-pillar. That's off. I always squeeze out behind the hinges. Well, I guess I'm going to start on this corner and try and re-establish the lines here. It comes down, notches in a quarter, then goes straight down to the bottom. Pretty well in line with this here. So I got to reconstruct this down here. This is going to take a few hours. By the time it's all done down there. Lots of fun. Oh yeah. Built it up a bit here with welds where it was potty. Yeah, you know, there's a double lap here. It was just that small area. I figured that was the fastest route of going rather than cut it out. Weld this guy in here. And then it's got almost a 90 here. 90 degree. Not quite 90. No, it's kind of 45. Anyways, there's a bit of a feature there. Like a drip edge sort of thing. So I think what I'm going to do is, seeing as I don't even have a freaking vise. I gotta get myself a vise, and that would be easy. Perfect example of it right here. Weld it in place, and then I'll grab my flat jaw. And then bend it back to try and achieve this little flange there. It's only to about over here. Actually, it sort of arcs down there. I'll have to wait till I get my cab corner. See if I can fix that. Not in an area where anybody's even going to see it, but anyways, let's get some paint on here. And clean it up.